guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and today I'm doing my favorite snack, that is a Keto Kesar Lassi. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So for the Kesar Lassi, first we are going to add approximately 200 grams of Greek yogurt. So that's here. To that I'm going to add my saffron. So I have pre-soaked the saffron in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water. So you'll see the color here. I'm going to add this to our lassi mixture. Next I'm going to add is some cardamom powder. So we're going to add a little cardamom powder, that's about half a teaspoon. Lastly, I'm going to add some Zeevik stevia. That's my favorite sugar-free brand, that's Zeevik stevia. About half a teaspoon of the same. And here, some ice cubes. And our Kesar Lassi is ready. Now we're going to top it up with some saffron strand and a pinch of cardamom to it. So our super yum and delicious Keto Kesar Lassi is ready. It takes less than 5 minutes to prepare the same. Super easy, loaded with great amount of protein as we have used Greek yogurt. Again, we have used saffron, which is an excellent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition and amazing, awesome recipes. Thank you so much and lots of love.